So I'm going to show you how to monkey hump a tire onto a rim. First thing you got to do, since we're in Utah, supercharge your beer a little bit. Okay, so next thing you do is get the inner tube onto the rim. So with the valve stem facing up, feed the tube into the tire. Flip the thing over. Now comes the actual monkey hump. So what you do is you get the rim, so it's on the inside of the bead right here. Give her a little squat as you monkey hump the thing. So with this hand, push the rim a little bit, and you're giving it a little bit of a pressure with your crotch. Just pry the tire just a little bit and keep monkey humping that rim down in there. Just keep monkey humping a little bit. Now, there it is. Tube in the tire, and the rim's inside the tire. Okay, now all you gotta do is pop the tire on from each side of the rim.